Now in this video you can watch natural phenomena floating and sinking the things on the water surface. It is fogged. Now I will show you to how is it the possible the things are the floating on the surface of waters in a salty water in a simple water. I hopes all of you find viewers. Now I am going to doing a experiment. In this video you are watching. I take a piece of orange and another orange, and next we again set on the tables, and now are the changing position on a tomato and is carrot, two piece of carrot. It's the big in size and the large. Another is eggs. This times two mug on the table and a jug which is the filled with the water, pure water, a simple water. Now we are going to fill a first mug with the simple waters. Now you are regularly watching this video, and you can get the full information about the sinking and floating the things. Also you can watch the another mug we are going to fill with the simple waters, and you can watch this video with regularly, and in that further we are going to do an experiment which is a very important. Now we taken the tomato and left in the waters, and tomatoes sink in the mug and bottom positions. Now you are watching this, but it is a fact. You are also listen about the man is sink in the water, but another hand you can listen the dead body is floating on the water. What is the reason behind? Now in this video we are prove this phenomena by the help of this experiment, sinking and floating reference with density of the water and the different things like orange, carrot, egg and tomato. And with the help of a spoon we take out the tomato from the this mugs, and once again in another side of the mug positions we left the tomato, and same like another, this time tomato is sink in the water. So once again we are going to take out with the help of spoon, and another side we are lefting the orange in the mug, but the water of mug is high levels, and now we are going to down the level of water in the mug, and again left the orange. You can also determine that the tomato size is low compare than orange. Orange size is higher than tomato, but the tomato is a sink, but orange is not sink. Orange is fluid on the surface of water which is exists in the mug. But this times we are left another orange, seem like first orange. This orange fluid on the surface of mug in the water, but it is not sinked. Why and what reason are behind in this water? Water are the same quality, simple water, pure waters, but now we are left the some other things like the carrot and eggs which are existing on the table position. You are also watching. If the video is informative, please like and subscribe the channels. We left the carrot, and carrot is in goes to bottom. Same in other mug, the carrot show the behavior about floating and sinking. The same behaviors it is goes to the bottom position. Now we are going to add the salt NaCl, sodium chloride, simple salt into the other mug which are you watching in this video, and we are mixing with the help of spoon. Mix the water and salt. This time the density of salty water is higher than simple waters. Both water are now differ from in position of density. This time carrot is goes to bottom. You are watching. Now take out this same carrot and left into this mug, and now the carrot is going to float on the surface of mug waters. This is in fact phenomena. Now this time big piece of carrot sinked in the simple water, pure water, but the other hands we are going to taken out this small piece of carrot, and now are we taking out the big size of carrots from the simple waters and left into the salty waters. This time is the density of simple water is now once again moving, and but not this time you show a correct position of carrot. This is going to half density, same density like water and carrot. Now once again another spoon of salt into the salty waters. Now this time density of more increase of the water and carrot. Once again we are going to left this time fully carrot floating on the surface of water, because this carrot is size large. Another hand the carrot now this time same tomato which is floating on the surface of water, salty water. On other side the simple waters, pure water sink the tomato, not floating. You can also watch in this video. This is the reality of natural phenomena about the density of sinking and floating on the surface of water. Due to that is you are also listen about the dead body is floating on the surface of water, and while the another side you can also listen the man is sink in the waters. This time egg is also in the bottom position in the salty waters. This is another things, another dynasty and mass and volume process of about water salty, and next time density of simple water and egg density is heavier than simple waters. Also egg density is heavier than salty waters, but in case of tomato is different, in the carrot case is different, for orange case is also different. This is the reality based phenomena. Like that videos are you interested to watching, like the subscribe channel. Thank you.